Hi guys, this topic is about hearing tests. So how do they do hearing tests? So you go to the hospital, or depending where you got your hearing test booked. Now Specsavers do it, or you got a private one. Mine was at the hospital, NHS, with NHS. So when you go for the hearing test, it has to be absolutely quiet in the room, so you're not allowed to have your phone on at all. It has to be on silent or turned off because it can interrupt with your hearing test. So what they do is put headphones on your ears, and they put this small thing around your ear as well, and then they give you a button to press. So they start doing the hearing test. They start with one ear first, and then they work the next. So while they're doing the test, you got the button. They tell you. They start off very easy one first. If you hear the beep, press the button. So they do each ear first, and you just press the button as soon as you hear the beep. And then they start doing background noises in the ear, very loud noises, to see if you can still hear the beep or not. So they do it again with loads of noises in your ear. They start with one ear first and then work on your next one. And once again, you press the button what they give you when you hear the sound with the background noise. What that shows the audiology is to see how much you can hear without wearing hearing aids and what you can't hear at all. So that is why they do that test on you, to see if you need hearing aids or if you don't need hearing aids. In my case, I did need hearing aids. So watch out for the next one. So that's what they do in a hearing test. Now you know.